Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today our lesson is on removable discontinuities of rational functions, also known as wholes. Let's take a look at our first example. What we're going to do first is factor to see if our equation can be simplified. So x squared minus 1 can be factored to x plus 1 times x minus 1, and this is all over x plus 1. We know that anything divided by itself can 1 out, but if something does 1 out, that's where our removable discontinuity is. So we're going to set that equal to 0. Here we would subtract 1 from both sides, and we would get x is equal to negative 1. This is the x value of our whole, or our removable discontinuity. To find the y value of our whole, we're going to substitute it back into whatever we have left over. So here, when we substitute negative 1 in for x, we get negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 2. So we would have a whole, or removable discontinuity, at negative 1, negative 2. Let's take a look at another example. Here, our numerator could be factored. We're going to get x minus 4 times x minus 2. All over x minus 4. Again, anything divided by itself will 1 out, and that's where the x value of our whole is. So we're going to set that equal to 0. Here we're going to add 4 to both sides, and we'll get x equals 4. So that's the x value of our whole, or our removable discontinuity. To get the y value, we're going to substitute this value into whatever we have left over in our equation. So we get 4 minus 2, which is 2. So we will have a removable discontinuity, or a whole, at 4, 2. Let's take a look at one more example. So here we could factor our numerator to x plus 1 times x plus 7, all over x plus 7. And here the x plus 7s will 1 out, and that's where our whole is going to be. So we're going to set that equal to 0, solve for x, and we get x equals negative 7. This is the x value of our whole, and to find the y value, we're going to set that, or we're going to substitute that into whatever we have left over. So negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. So our removable discontinuity, or our whole, is at negative 7, negative 6. That concludes our lesson on finding removable discontinuities of rational functions. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave those questions in the comments section below. And for more math tutorials, subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.